Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a drugstore makeup product review for you guys on the Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush. I have the shade Rose Romance, you guys, and using this product, I created this beautiful soft glam makeup look. So if you guys are interested in seeing me demo this product, try it out, share my honest thoughts, and also create this beautiful soft glam makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, so we're gonna get started with skin prep. The first thing I want to do is moisturize my face, and I have here the Shiseido Essential Energy Hydrating Cream. I'm really excited to try this stuff. This is my first time using this cream, and I got it as a sample from Shoppers. Right off the bat, it feels really hydrating. It feels really nice on the face, you guys. It's a little bit more of a thicker consistency. Although it's thick, it doesn't feel heavy, if that makes sense. Next up, we're gonna prime the face, and I'm going in with the Skin Ink Supplement Bar. Just concentrating this in my T-zone to help out my pores. This stuff is pretty good, but I would say that I have better primers out there that do a better job, but I do like to use this just for like an everyday soft glam kind of look, so that's why we're using this today. Prepping the under eyes with my Skin Proud Icicle Cooling Eye Serum Stick. I absolutely love this stuff, you guys know that. Super nice and cooling under the eyes and nicely preps them for makeup. Lastly, I want more hydration on the face because of this winter weather, so we're going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Makeup Setting Spray. Going in with a lip oil. This is the Glossed Lip Oil by Lottie London. Jumping into my color corrector, this is by Charlotte Tilbury. This is in the shade Medium 2, and I'm just gonna apply this onto areas where I have darkness on the face or any kind of imperfections like acne scars, just to perfect my imperfections. I'm gonna jump into foundation next, and this is one of my favorites from the drugstore. It's NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is a beautiful matte foundation. It has really good coverage, and I just love how lightweight it is. Foundation is all done. Next up, I want to contour, and I want to go in with some cream bronzer just because we're gonna use a cream blush, and I have here the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Light. I absolutely love this bronzer, you guys. It's amazing. It's so creamy and it blends out so effortlessly. Just gonna do a little bit on the nose, and we'll do a reverse nose contour later with concealer. So I'm just packing on the bronzer on the nose for now. Time to jump in to the product that we're going to be reviewing today, and that is the Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush. I'm super excited to try this because I haven't tried Milani's liquid blushes yet, and I have the shade Rose Romance. So it comes in a tube, and I think what I'm going to do is just apply a little bit on the back of my beauty sponge, and then I'll blend it into the cheeks. Wow, that is beautiful, and that blended in really effortlessly. I really didn't need too much product. It's definitely buildable. I feel like the more color I'm adding, the more intense the blush is getting, so that's really nice. Looks like a lot of blush, but don't worry, we're gonna clean it up with concealer. Wow, I think this is absolutely gorgeous. A little bit went a long way, and I really didn't need to do too much blending. Like, this is looking absolutely beautiful, and in terms of like how fast it dries, I would say the product doesn't dry too quickly, so you do have time to kind of play around and move the product around. So I am really impressed. I really like this. I want to quickly just conceal the lids because I want to prep them for just a little bit of eyeshadow. So I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm just going to quickly blend that out, and then we'll set the lids with some setting powder. For setting powder, I'm using Huda Beauty. I'm jumping in to my Complex Culture Future So Bright eyeshadow palette, and I just want a neutral to dust onto the lids, so I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. You just want to go in with any neutral. You can also do like a powder bronzer, but I think we're gonna just use this today. The shade is called Evoke, and I'm just gonna blend this onto the crease. I want a little bit of a deeper shade in the crease, so we're gonna go in with this shade right here, which is called Arrive. I'm just gonna dust Evoke all over the lid, which is the lighter matte shade. I'm taking this metallic eyeliner. This is by the brand RealHer, and it's like a bronzy metallic liner. If you guys can see, it's beautiful. I think it's gonna look so well with the eyes. So what I'm gonna do is just softly line my eyes with this. I just want to add Arrive on the outer corners just to add nice dimension. I do have my eyes lined and I'm loving how they're looking, but I just feel like that looks a little bit incomplete, so we're just going to blend that out. Going to quickly conceal the face. I'm going in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to blend this all out and then set everything with my Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm also just going to clean up the cheeks with whatever product I have on my sponge. It's been about 30 seconds. I'm just going to wipe away the setting powder because it's all done doing its thing. I will just add whatever excess product I have on my brush on top of the cheeks just to set them. Just filling in my brows with the Gimme Brow by Benefit. This stuff is so good. Your brows are done in seconds. It's so quick and easy. I feel like brown mascara is going to really tie this look together. So I'm gonna quickly go off camera and put on some brown mascara. And this is the Essence Lash Without Limits Extreme Lengthening Mascara. I did recently do a review of this product, so if you wanna see that in details, check out the video up here and also down below in the description box. Eyes are done, and now we need to just wrap up the rest of the makeup. So I wanna add some highlight to the face. I'll be going in to the Transluce Beauty highlighter palette, and this one has a cream and a powder. So this is the cream and this is the powder. I think I want to use the powder shade. And the very last thing I have to do is my lips. So I'm going to quickly line them with the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. And for lipstick, I want to go in with this RealHer moisturizing lipstick, and it's in the shade Gold Digger. It's like a beautiful pink, you guys, and it's super moisturizing and it has great pigment, and I think it'll look really nice with the cheeks. I think this looks absolutely beautiful, but I do want to tone down the lips just a little bit. I just want to tone it down slightly. So I'm going in with L'Avenue by Merit, and this is their signature lipsticks. So I'm just going to pop this right on top. This definitely deepened the lips and I absolutely love it. This is also a super hydrating lipstick, super comfortable for every day, and it's really lightweight. I love it. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's makeup product review, as well as a soft glam makeup tutorial. Overall, I would have to say that I really like this product. The Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush is absolutely wonderful for the price. It's a really good product, you guys. You saw it was really easy to work with. It doesn't dry too fast. It's not patchy. It's buildable. It has a beautiful tone. There's so many colors to choose from. Definitely, I want to try out more colors. I loved the final look that I created, you guys. I think this is a beautiful soft glam look. I love the tones. I love the browns and the lips and obviously the cheeks. I think this is beautiful. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Everything that I used on my face today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!